Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the df command that reports on disk space. Our first command will be this one, df. We're going to send it a -h option, which means show the results in the human readable format. I'm also going to take the output from that and hide any line that contains the word snap using a grep -v. So the result shows us all of this. We can see that the H option here adjusts the size reporting to make the most sense for people. Like 3 gigabytes probably makes more sense than 3,000 megabytes. So it adjusts the size to be the most easy to read. It also shows us how much space is used, how much space is available, and where each one of these directories is attached to the overall file system. So here's root, which contains most everything, and there's one other file system down here called apps, which is apparently very, very underused. It's important to check disk space from time to time to ensure that the file system is not about to run out of space. In fact, on many Linux systems, root will be put in a partition on its own to ensure that space allotted to it won't fill up and potentially cause problems on the system. So, for example, /home will be in another file system, maybe even in a file system by itself, to ensure that user files don't impact the overall system. To report on a particular directory, both to display which file system it resides in and to look at its space usage, you can run a command like this. You can go to the file system and you can say df -h. Again, that human readable format, dot means here, so it shows us that home is inside of the root file system and how much space it's using up. Well, that's your Linux tip for the df command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.